Since this high all the way back on the 23rd of September, Avalanche has been in somewhat of a downtrend and has even pushed as far down as $57, which it saw back on the 6th of October. However, has managed to gain some support, but is it going to be able to maintain the support, or could we be seeing a bit of a further plunge towards the downside for the Avalanche price? Okay guys, so what we can see here is in the past, all the way back on the 25th of August, we came up and we put in this high here. Now this was obviously after a big push towards the upside, and this shows that $60 is a significant level. And the reason for that, basically when we have these sort of big run-ups, people have an idea in mind of what they're going to sell at, and usually it's a nice round number, for example $60. We then saw it push back down, find support much lower before pushing up, and then we were again rejected at $60. This time it did actually manage to get through, but was then pushed back down. Once it broke through, it established support at around this level, and basically between the sort of $57 mark and the $60 mark, we have got some substantial support, which is holding Avalanche Crypto from pushing further down into the downside. Jumping out and taking a retracement, we can take from this low all the way back on the 7th of September, pull it up to the all-time high on the 23rd of September. What we can see is this 0.382 Fibonacci level is also around the $60 mark perfectly, and this is showing potentially why we are finding some support here. We have obviously broken through and wicked to the downside, having 4-hour candles below this line. It's very key to see that these two red candles here have wicked towards the downside, but are actually starting to look like they're going to be pushing back towards the upside. Looking into the 1-hour chart, we can see this falling channel pattern here, and most significantly, not only have we bounced at that key Fibonacci level, but we're also seeing somewhat of a W pattern being put in here, which is obviously a very bullish pattern, as well as this usually playing out towards the upside. So right now, Avalanche is looking like it could potentially be breaking out of something quite significant indeed. If it is to see a break from here, then we would take from this swing high all the way down to this swing low, bring it up to our breakout or potential breakout position, because obviously we haven't quite got there yet, and we can see that bring us up to around $76. If we look back, $76 is a push of around 25% from current prices, which is not too shabby in my opinion, and will give us another look at potentially breaking towards further all-time highs, because significantly the $76 level, we can see multiple times we found this is resistance. If we see a third touch at this level, then we are potentially gonna see a breakthrough. Okay, so sort of first and second time it's been rejected, and the third time, if it doesn't get rejected, we can see potentially being able to push towards the upside. And as you know guys, when you've been seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. breaking through all-time highs in the past, then once again we will be potentially looking at some sort of a parabolic move as all the excitement builds again around Avalanche. Obviously go away and do your own research. This is just my 2 cents and what I think is going to happen to Avalanche. Guys, thanks very much for watching. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new to the channel.